Oh my god, what was that, Samaira? What was that?
We're going to go to Vietnam first.
Today we are heading to Vietnam with our 5-year-old Samaira. Here we'll be covering 2 major, exciting and kid-friendly cities. It's day 1 and we have taken the Vietjet airline, which is a low-cost carrier. It was almost a 11-hour journey with 1 stop at Bangkok. Overall, it was a comfortable journey. Welcome to our first destination, DaNang. Here we will be checking into Hotel Haian, which is located right across the beach. This hotel also offers a complimentary airport pickup in this so luxury traveler.
Vietnam.
Yes, this is the hotel and that side we have the beach.
And this is also water park.
Time for a quick room tour. We had booked the beachfront suite room and it was simply gorgeous, spacious, clean and offering the most brilliant view.
There's one beach there.
Oh, there's a beach there. Wow. People are surfing on that beach, see?
Yeah. And we can take
From the staff to the room to the food, everything here was simply impeccable.
And look at that!
Also, the location was very convenient, right in the center of the city, making it very easy to get around and explore DaNang.
Complimentary fruits आया है.
Oh my god.
The breakfast spread was delicious, which included a large selection of Western and local dishes. Indian food was not at all available. The hotel is also packed with various amenities like a rooftop infinity pool, a well-equipped gym, spa, and also a kids club.
I love it so much. We can stay here forever.
You want to stay here forever?
Yes.
We are munching on this. Hoi, 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 hoi. How much did we pay for this?
66 rupees.
66
70 rupees.
So,
Yeah.
not a bad deal.
Since we were quite exhausted with the long journey, we decided to keep day 1 very light and chill, especially for little Samaira. And here we are, off to explore the My Khe Beach right across the street.
This is our hotel. And right there is the beach. The child is already in the water. Water is so cold, yeah.
now we are going for dinner. And where are we going, Manjas?
We are going to a Vietnamese restaurant, Miss Nhi.
Miss Nhi, which is just about 7 minutes walking from our hotel. So let's go and check out some Vietnamese food.
You're putting too much pressure on me.
You work under pressure, Odi. She knows that.
Samaira did not like any of the local food. Thankfully, we had packed some Theplas for her, which easily lasts for a good 3 to 4 days. So that is all for day 1. Stay tuned for our next episode where we will be covering lots of fun places and fun activities in DaNang with our little Samaira. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Ola Sam. It's bye-bye for now. Until next time.